Good evening, everyone. This is the Scrumbags sprint review. Today, I'm going to walk you guys through what we've done on our newest deliverable. Mainly, it's to do with taking attendance, which is from a few sprints back, but we had some trouble on the developer side with that. So we've gone ahead and integrated an attendance plugin from another application, which has helped us with that. And we've gone ahead and done a little more work on the importing attendance data. And our newest work that we did was with exporting rosters. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through a little bit of that. Essentially, on the back end, we weren't able to create a new session each day for our teachers to take attendance. So we used an existing attendance plugin from the marketplace, and we're able to customize that with the help of another student to basically meet our needs for taking attendance. From there, we've been able to essentially create the attendance layout. So we've been able to first of all implement students, basically gone ahead and imported some fake students, and then now we can create instances of attendance, and from here we can either select absent, excused, or present, and we've gone ahead and implemented all of the data types like date, excuse details, things like that. We've gone ahead and implemented those fields as part of our attendance taking. Now we've also gone ahead and done a little work on the layouts of our user interface. So I'll go ahead and get to that real quick. Because we had to implement this attendance plugin, we essentially had to start from scratch. We had done so much work with the plugin to customize that we just went ahead and took all of the things that we had done and just moved it over to a new account. So that took quite a while this time, but so now on our user side, you are able to see the student data, which has all the fields present. You're able to see enrollments in classes. This is an example of a class. We've got a tab for attendance data and courses offered, which when the last time we had our sprint, it basically was repeating student data all the way across all of these fields. So you would see student data under enrollments, attendance data, courses, and we've gone ahead and fixed that on the back end. So each one shows up as it's supposed to. Now, for import roster, we had it done last time, but when we would import data, essentially what it would do is populate our tables but not put them to any specific class. So we're working right now on creating another tab right here that's importing data and assigning them to a specific class time. Now we were able to implement the export data tab on here, which will allow a student or a teacher to export their data into a CSV file and basically manage it. So that tab takes you directly to scheduling data export, and this data export basically lets you either export right away, or you can set it up basically like day one, day whatever of the month to set up reporting for your classes. So it's customizable. You have to pick the fields, which is a little obnoxious. They're not preset, but it at this point it works, which is what we're looking for. So that's all on the user side, and then basically the bulk of our work after this was on the back end there's a good deal of customization we did in the within the content targeting, which allowed us to actually see these tabs on our user side. Oops, sorry. So basically what we had to do was create a navigational topic, which was called import data. And then from here, you could make subtopics of import data, which were import students, and that's the link that takes us to just basically import students, but it doesn't put them in a specific class. And then we also are working on the import and enroll students, which will add the functionality of basically importing a roster and populating it directly into a pre-created class. So other than that, we did a little work with some of the dashboards for paw print, but like we said, the main work has been mostly on the back end implementing that attendance plugin. We had to essentially start from scratch, like I said. So, creating the sessions, then from there creating attendance, present, absent, or excused, and then link that to the each class field, essentially. So that's what we've gone ahead and done for our newest sprint, and after a little more customization this week, we should be caught up completely with the rest of the class. Thank you.